Hello friends, welcome to Hot Span Kitchen. Today I am going to make a breakfast recipe of Kerala, idiyappam. For that I have taken 1.5 cups of roasted rice flour. This is the cup that I have used, and in that I will be adding half a spoon of salt, 1 spoon of oil. I have used refined oil. Mix it together. In this I am going to put hot water. This is boiled water. First let us put 1.5, and if we need more we'll use it. This will be very hot. You have to be very careful. Don't mix with hand. We need more water. This we have to knead as we knead for chapatis. First let it cool down and then I will knead with hand. Now this is the smooth duff that I have made. It is very soft. Now I am using a idli stand. In this I will be putting coconut, and in this is used for making sev. It's a small one. I'm putting this inside this. In this in this way we will put it in all the stands. Now we have filled all the idli stands. This is how it looks, right? I've taken a idli cooker, taken water in it. It's boiling. We'll keep the idli stand inside this. Let us close the cooker. Wait for the steam to come. Steam has come. Opening the lid, so it has come out nicely cooked. Now I will plate it and show you how it is. This is the idiyappam that I have made today. This will go well with stew, chicken curry or egg curry. For small children you can give mix sugar and give. They will like it. Please, if you have liked my video, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.